Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your name on TikTok. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get straight into it. Now from the home screen of your TikTok, you need to tap on your profile on the bottom right. You'll land on your profile section. Now you'll see an option of edit profile right here. Inside edit profile, you will have two options, your name and your username. You can change both of them. If you tap on the name, you can change your name every 7 days. So if you have previously changed it within 7 days, you won't be able to change it. But if you haven't, you can type in and add in anything. And after that, you can tap on save on the top right. You can do the same for the username. Tap on the username option. But the username can be only changed within 30 days. So if you have changed within 30 days, you wouldn't have an option of changing. But if you haven't, you would be able to make any changes. And then tap on save on the top right. And as easy as that, you have now successfully changed your name on TikTok. If you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.